this is Mommy Ted. Welcome from Team Grateful. I'm gonna show you just a little DIY table setup because today here in Canada it's Thanksgiving Day. So come on, join me as I set up a 4-seater table for my family. This will be our final touch for our simple Thanksgiving dinner. Just the 4 of us. So later, I'm gonna prepare the food. So I'm just gonna show you how I set up our table. As you can see, there you go. We have the centerpiece. We have the dish for the cake. For the small dessert, we just have 3 kinds of food, like a viands. We have fish, pork soup so that we can enjoy just a simple celebration. So there you go, from the top. There you go. So later we're gonna put the food and we're gonna celebrate Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, Canada. So here is the final setup with food. My husband helped me with this one, so there you go. So we have Japanese food, we have Filipino sour soup, chicken skin, baklava, we have rice cakes, we have squid, barbecue, and grilled fish, mix of fruits, and choco fruit cakes. We have pop, and we have pandan juice. So this is how we celebrate our Thanksgiving this year. No traditional turkey, as we are, what we call this, trying to invent this year. So happy Thanksgiving, everyone. God bless us all.
Happy Thanksgiving!
That's it for now, and happy Thanksgiving, Canada. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you are updated in all our upcoming videos. This is Mami Tat saying, being grateful every day attracts more blessings. God bless us all. Team Grateful. Bye!